Good evening, students. Now, in the series of lectures of L'Hospital rule, in this video, we are going to discuss the evaluation of the limits which will take indeterminate form by using L'Hospital rule. Evaluate limit of cot square x minus 1 by x square as x tends to 0. Okay, so let us solve this example, student. Solution. Let k is equal to, first you can check here, as x tends to 0, cot 0. What is cot 0? Tan 0 is 0, cot 0 is 1 by tan 0, which is infinity, minus 1 by 0 is infinity. It's a type 2 example, student. So we cannot apply L'Hospital rule directly for this. We can apply L'Hospital rule only when which will take 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So let us reduce. So before reducing, this is k is equal to limit as x tends to 0. I am writing cot square x as 1 by tan square x to use standard limits minus 1 by x square. Okay. So once again, which is infinity minus infinity form itself. Now we are going to take LCM. Remember, as I mentioned you already, in type 2, which is infinity minus infinity, again 0 into infinity. In case of infinity minus infinity, we are going to take LCM. In case of 0 into infinity, it is also type 2, we are going to write a reciprocal. Okay. Now, by taking LCM, limit as x tends to 0, this is x square into tan square x square minus tan square x. Can verify again, students. 0 minus tan 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 divided by 0 into anything is again 0 by 0 form. It's a type 1, you can apply L'Hospital rule. So before applying L'Hospital rule, okay, I will make use of this result, that is limit as x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1, or you can also write this is same as limit as x tends to 0, x by tan x is equal to 1. Okay, or the extension of this result can also be written as limit as x tends to 0, this is x by tan x whole raised to n is also equal to 1. In particular, we are going to take n is equal to 2. Okay, we have a standard limit, student. Okay. Now, to apply that, I make use of that result. So, I am going to divide here x square and multiply x square here. Okay. Further, this can be also written as k is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Okay. X square minus tan square x divided by x square into x square is x raised to 4. Okay. I am going to write in the reverse order, that is x square by tan square x. Okay. This is total one term. Okay. Now we have a limit of a product, can be written as product of a limit, that is limit as x tends to 0. This is x square minus tan square x divided by x raised to 4 into limit as x tends to 0, x square by tan square x. Okay. So now, which is equal to limit as x tends to 0, which is x square minus tan square x divided by x raised to 4, and its value is 1 by using this. Okay. So now once again, which is 0 by 0 form, 0 minus tan 0 is 0 divided by x raised to 4. Okay. Now we can apply L'Hospital rule here. Okay. Now that is, okay, sorry, apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, that is differentiate numerator and denominator separately and substitute the value of x. So k is equal to limit as x tends to 0, differentiate x square, which is 2x. Tan square x differentiation is 2 tan x. Again tan x is secant square x divided by x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Okay. So once again substitute the value of x. 2 into x value is 0, tan 0 is 0 divided by denominator also containing x, which is 0 by 0 form. Next, apply L'Hospital rule. So that is k is equal to limit as x tends to 0, differentiation of 2x is 2 minus 2 times of apply product rule, first function tan x, differentiation of secant square x is 2 secant x, again secant x is secant x into tan x plus second function is secant square x, differentiation of tan x is secant square x divided by 4x cube, differentiation is 12x square. Okay, fine. Now look at carefully, k is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Okay, I will take first term and 2 times of secant square x into secant square x is 2 secant raised to 4x minus 2 2s are 4 tan x into tan x, tan square x, secant x into secant x is secant square x. Okay, I will take separately these two, that is divided by 12x square divided by 12x square. Okay, so now limit of a sum or difference. Limit of a sum is sum of limits, means you can apply limit for these two terms separately. So why I have done in this form is because by differentiating number of terms will increasing. For that purpose I have taken separately. Look at limit as x tends to 0. Here in this limit just you can write, okay, that is 2 minus 2 secant raised to 4x as it is divided by 12x square minus limit of you can take 4 by 12 outside, limit of tan square x into secant square x. I will take divided by x square into secant square x. Okay, this is again one term. Okay, further limit as x tends to 0. Okay, I will apply L'Hospital rule later for this. 2 secant raised to 4x divided by 12x square minus 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. Apply limit of a, product is product of limit again, limit as x tends to 0 tan square x by x square into limit as x tends to 0 secant square x. Okay, further concentrate carefully students, it's very easy one. Okay, we are using the standard limits here. Okay, this is common, we have already used this one, that is you know that as limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. The updated version or by squaring also, by making square it's also equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to limit as x tends to 0, 2 minus 2 secant raised to 4x divided by 12x square minus 1 by 3 into its value is 1 into as x tends to 0, secant 0 is 1. Secant 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0 is 1 by 1 is 1. So this is minus 1 by 3. Look at this part only, students. This part is again as x tends to 0, secant 0 is 0, secant 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0 divided by, it contain denominator also contain x, so it is 0 by 0 form. Okay. So now I am applying L'Hospital rule again. Apply L'Hospital rule. So k is equal to limit as x tends to 0, differentiation of 2 is 0 minus 2 times of differentiation of secant raised to 4x, 4 secant cube x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x divided by 12 2s are 24x. Okay. Now look at carefully, student. Once again I am going to make use of standard limits, that is tan x by x as limit x tends to 0 is equal to 1, that is k is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Okay. This is minus 8 divided by how much? 24. This is secant cube into secant x is secant raised to 4x into tan x by this is x. Again limit of a product. So since minus 8 by 24, 8 1s are 8 3s are 24, which is minus 1 by 3. Apply limit of a product, secant raised to 4x into limit as x tends to 0, tan x by x. So minus 1 by 3 as x tends to 0, secant 0 is 1. So I need to write this value, that is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. And into this value is again 1 into 1 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 into 1 is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. This is the value of limit. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, we meet in the next video. Thank you so much.